Alright, what is going on? Let us hope this is the last time that we have to film this shit. So, before we get into today's video, we gotta point out one very huge thing. I want to do this kind of a way so I know this isn't gonna get fucked up. You guys, we hit fucking 700 subscribers. It's a very small number, but it's also very big. I want to say thank you to everybody who's been there showing support. I know a lot of people don't give likes on my videos, and honestly, I really don't care. I care more about views and comments and stuff, and I see some people comment, some people just leave a view, and I greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. Now let's get into today's video. I don't want to talk too much about thank you for the subscribers, all that stuff, because like people really don't want to hear that. I'm not gonna lie, I have my phone in my hoodie pocket, and I don't like it. We're just gonna keep you right there, yeah? Should be fine. Should be fine. If we're only going like 2 seconds away. Yeah, that should be fine. I get to my location, my phone's all the way fucking underneath my seat. No fucking idea how it happened. Let's do this. Okay, I really hope this is the last time that I have to film this shit. You guys have no idea the amount of stress that I've been dealing with. This is literally my fucking 4th or 5th time attempting to film this. I've had so many fucking issues, man. The first time that I tried to film this video, my audio just wasn't good. Like, it was really bad. I was getting too much reverb. The other 2 times that I tried to film this, I did something to my GoPro mic settings, and it basically just fucked up my mic. So, because of that, I went ahead and I tried to do something different. So, I tried to add a chain curtain to my helmet. I have that on currently. I tried to film it last night with it on, and it seems to help with at least the audio of the bike. Like, you can't hear the bike as much, which is great, because I know my bike be loud as fuck. So, about two days ago on Friday, I think it was a very, it's been 2 days me trying to film this video. It is Sunday today, May 2nd, and on Friday was one of the biggest days of my life. So for some random reason, I decided, hey, I want to quit my job that I do now and basically get a big boy job and work at a car dealership. So your boy went in for a interview at a dealership and I fucking got it. Like, I fucking got it. I went in, I aced the living shit out of the interview, and that's it. Now we're just waiting on the initial like background check, that type of stuff. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut to a clip of when I was at the dealership, because just the interview was just so real that I don't want to try to fake it. Like, I'd rather just keep it, cut back to currently, and just discuss it. So we're going to cut to that, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we have made it to the dealer. I actually already went in for my interview. I gotta clean my visor. I actually already went in, and yo, let me tell you something. I aced the motherfucker out of that shit. So I think now what the game plan is, I'm gonna cruise a little bit, talk about what the hell just happened, and we go from there. What the hell? Bro, are you joking? Dude, my front fender is cracked. How? How the hell did this happen? Dude, how? Oh, we gotta order a new one immediately. Oh my god. Dude, a rock hit it and it fucking cracked. Holy shit. Alright, whatever. Let's get the fuck out of here. I'm looking at the top. I'm like, dude, why is that shit white? Huh? Okay, so for starters, when I tell you I Superman changed, dude. Dude, I was wearing a suit. I Superman changed in like fucking 3 minutes. That's a nice Subi. Those yellow brake calipers. Woo! That shit's nice. So, I'm gonna get some gas, and after that, I don't know. I might cut it because, dude, it's a little bit too windy to be riding. And if I do ride, it's literally gonna be like just motorcycle ASMR. And I want to say that for a different video. Thirsty boy. A little off the top, you know, gotta top it off real quick. 548. That's where you get a bike, bro. It went really, really well. Like, based off of how it went, bro, 100%, the job is mine. So the next step is they have to run my like my insurance and shit. I guess to make sure like I'm not a fucking, to make sure that I'm not like a crazy ass driver or something. Which, I mean, it should be pretty fine. I mean, like I said, I've only had 2 accidents and they weren't even that bad. It's not anything crazy, like I did a hit and run or some shit. Is that, then obviously they gotta do a background check because we're working with high priced vehicles. But, yo, I'm really interested in this shit, dude. Like, one of the reasons that I want to work at a dealership rather than just do security is because, honestly, dude, I just want a big boy job. I want a type of job where, like, you tell a bitch, what do you do? Oh, I sell cars. So, initially, so in the beginning of that clip, you see that my fender is broken. I don't know what the hell happened. I deadass think that I hit like a rock or something, and it made my fender crack. The good news is that I already ordered one, and then that bitch will be here on Tuesday. Thank God. Now, as far as my broken clutch, I got bad news about that. It unfortunately will not ship until May 14th. The place that I had ordered it from, I guess for OEM parts, they need a special order, which is kind of stupid. I feel like for stuff like that, they should totally 100% mention it on their site. Like, yo, we got a special order this. But, I mean, it's whatever. I mean, at least I have an expected time when it's supposed to ship. So, I guess it's better than not knowing when it's coming at all. And then something else that I would like to address in that video is the reasons that I wanted a quote-unquote big boy job, because I gave like one reason, but you couldn't really hear it, so I'll go ahead and re-list them. I want a big boy job, 2 reasons. Two pretty big reasons. I want a job where you tell a female, hey, what do you do for a living? Oh, I sell cars. She just immediately knows that you got money. Hell yeah. I want a job where you tell somebody like what you do and they just automatically know that you make money. And then another reason is kind of just for myself, like, so I currently do security, and I know it's a good job, but I don't know. I just know that me personally, I can do better, and I know that there's a lot of money to be made in the dealership, and where I'm going to be at is subaru. I don't know. Hopefully it's a good play. I talked to a couple people, and they're saying that it's not a good idea, but honestly, I kind of say fuck those people. I can do it. I know there's money to be made, so it is what it is. If they want to bitch about it, they can bitch about it. Cool, it's my life. They can go suck a dick. So I'm going to go ahead and say this before I sign off. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you have a good afternoon. I know this was very short, so I hope you guys have a good one, evening, day, whatever it may be for you. Go ahead and leave a comment. Please subscribe if you would like. I don't give a fuck about a like. And I am Dallas. I will catch you guys in the next one.